What's up guys? Today we're going to be heading down to Salty Gears Off-Road to get my front springs installed. Like I said in my previous video, I'm going to be going with a 3.5 coil and just to level out my whole truck. Usually what they do on the trucks is they let them sit down a little bit in the front just so that it still has the towing capabilities, but I don't tow that much. So let's head down to Salty Gears Off-Road right now and get that installed. So the old 2.5 coils are out. Installing the 3.5 inch coils, which is going to give it an inch higher in the front, which will level the whole truck out. And I think it's going to give it a nice look. So let's see. All right, guys, the 3.5 coils are in, and you can tell how much it just leveled it through the front. You'll be able to tell a little bit more once we get it off the lift. I'll do a walk around of it, but it definitely looks better. It looks more aggressive, and it just gives it a bigger stance. Alright guys, the new coil in the front is installed and it looks amazing. It really gives it that leveled look. As you guys can see, it's the lighting's a little darker right here, but you can see how it just levels the whole truck out front to back now. And that's kind of what I was looking for. Like I was saying earlier on in the video, I don't do really any towing with this, and when I do, it's nothing super heavy. So I like just a leveled look, how it just levels it from straight to back. But if you guys live here in Utah and you need anything done on your Jeep or even your trucks, anything 4x4, hit up Salty Gears Off-Road and they'll do an amazing job on anything you want to build or any kind of modifications you want to do. But thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'll catch you next time.